Filled with escape tools, this kit could be stashed inside the body where it would not be found during a search.
What I have in my hand is a CIA-issued rectal toolkit given to CIA officers during the height of the Cold War. So the materials that rectal toolkits are made of varies to a degree, but you want to make sure that you have a material that does not have the chance of having kind of sharp edges or any kind of splintering effect because of the sensitive places that we're putting this. It also has to be finely machined. The seals have to be very tight, not only to prevent things from seeping into the actual toolkit itself, but also so that you don't have any kind of sharp edges or ridges that could possibly injure you when you're using this particular artifact. What the toolkit allows them to do is have on hand ways to get them out of a bad situation, to pick a lock, to drill your way through a door, to kind of carve your way, to make a small tunnel, or think of all the different ways that you could maybe break out of a jail cell, like that, things that people might bake into a cake. Well, these are all encompassed inside this toolkit because guards are going to put you in a place and say, oh, the door's locked. We don't have to really pay a lot of attention to this guy because they don't think that you have these tools with you.
In the aftermath of the 2016 election, differing stories about potential Russian hacking have set the U.S.'s two main intelligence agencies against each other. The Central Intelligence Agency, or CIA, briefed U.S. officials that Russian hackers had infiltrated the Democratic National Committee with the intention to sway the election in favor of Donald Trump. On the other hand, the Federal Bureau of Investigation, or FBI, says there's no clear evidence to support these reports. So, what's going on? Why are these two agencies at odds, and what exactly is the difference between them? Well, in a nutshell, the primary difference between the two is scope. The FBI's jurisdiction covers domestic issues and operates as a law enforcement agency. The CIA deals primarily with external foreign intelligence and is considerably more covert. Not even its budget is publicly reported and is only known via leaks. What this ultimately means is that the two have radically different goals. The FBI is more likely to arrest domestic offenders, while the CIA is in the business of collecting global intelligence in order to stave off any potential offenses.